finally got a glimpse of the alien. Okay, fine. Well, let's not glimpse the alien anymore. Let's look at the alien!
Stop it.
Well, see you at 3.
See ya.
Bye.
Can I go with Becca?
No, you stay here.
I want to.
They're working at their house.
Bye-bye.
Look at the cat.
Oh, let's look at my dog.
They're still alive.
Woo.
Oh,
Oops. Look at the dog. My dog. My dog. It's my dog. Come here. Look at him! He's so wet. Come on. That's my backyard. Bye.